your follow-up. So your follow-up is huge because we know that the money, big riches is all in your follow-up, right? The more you follow up, the better off your paycheck is going to be at the end of the day, right? So
absolutely. Fortune is in the follow-up.
And honestly, the big hint here is use systems. Have a good CRM. Honestly, that has been the secret to everything that has grown my business over the years, is having a CRM, because I can't do everything myself. As much as, I like to say I'm superwoman sometimes, I can't do everything myself. So, employ systems to help you do some of the follow-up for sure. But in following up with those leads and staying on top of those leads, that is really what's going to propel you to that next level as well. So stay on top of those leads when you do get them.
To learn more, watch my free masterclass at mortgagemarketingcoach.com/grow. We'll see you there.